Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you 10 tips and tricks on how to be a successful affiliate marketer. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. 1. Always do your research before promoting a product. Make sure it's a high-quality product that you would personally use and recommend to others. Your audience will trust your opinions and be more likely to make a purchase through your affiliate links. 2. Choose products that are relevant to your audience and niche. Don't just promote any product for the sake of making a commission. Make sure it aligns with your content and the interests of your audience. 3. Utilize multiple marketing channels to reach a wider audience. This could include social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. The more visibility you have, the more potential for sales. 4. Be transparent with your audience about your affiliate partnerships. Let them know that you'll be using affiliate links and why. This honesty will build trust with your audience and make them more likely to support you. 5. Make sure to fully disclose any sponsored content or partnerships. Follow the guidelines set by the Federal Trade Commission to avoid any legal issues. 6. Don't be afraid to be creative in your promotions. Affiliate marketing doesn't have to be boring. Find unique ways to showcase the products you're promoting, whether it's through a tutorial, a review, or a challenge. 7. Utilize social proof in your promotions. This could include customer reviews, testimonials, or celebrity endorsements. Seeing others use and enjoy the product will make your audience more likely to make a purchase. 8. Offer exclusive discounts or bonuses to your audience for making a purchase through your affiliate links. This added value will make them more likely to choose your links over others. 9. Keep track of your performance and analyze your data. Use tools like Google Analytics to see which promotions are performing well and which aren't. This will help you optimize your strategy and improve your results. 10. Continuously educate yourself and stay up to date on industry trends. The world of affiliate marketing is constantly evolving, so make sure to stay on top of new techniques and strategies. So, there you have it, 10 tips and tricks for being a successful affiliate marketer. I hope these tips were helpful and gave you some ideas for your own promotions. If you have any additional tips or tricks, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.